have a new product for you. Well, it's not new maybe, but it's new to me, and it's one that I picked up off Amazon a few months ago, and I had it just sitting in my laundry room, didn't use it, and I finally found the perfect reason to use it. It is a Wash and Repel 2-in-1 from Grangers, and it's a liquid wash and water repellent. It's really meant for rain gear, to like rejuvenate your rain gear if it's lost its ability to repel water. But I thought, wouldn't this be perfect to use for outdoor curtains, outdoor fabrics, and things like that? So I decided to give it a try on my new outdoor curtains. They're actually tablecloths that I've converted to outdoor curtains, and so I gave them a wash in this Grangers Wash. And you guys, I want to show you the before and after and how amazing this stuff is. And now I can think of unlimited ways to take this and wash my pillow covers, any kind of fabric that I have outside, so that the water will just roll off of it. So let me show you the before and after so you can be just as amazed as I am.